In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mail Merge in Outlook. Mail Merge in Outlook is a useful feature when you want to send the same basic email to many people while still making each message feel personal. Instead of writing and sending one email at a time, you create a single message and then customize it for each recipient by inserting their email address and message details. This can save a lot of time, especially when you're sending announcements, updates, or outreach emails. To get started, open Outlook and click on New to create a new message. This gives you a blank email window where you will build the message that will be sent out through Mail Merge. Make sure you're working carefully here, because this message will serve as the template for every recipient. Next, click on Mail. This is where you'll access the mail-related tools that allow you to prepare your email for merging. If you don't immediately see the option you need, take a moment to look through the toolbar so you can identify the correct section before continuing. After that, click on Options. This is an important step because it gives you access to additional settings for the email you're creating. In many cases, Mail Merge tools are placed here so you can configure how the message should be sent and personalized. Once you're in the right place, click on Start Mail Merge. This activates the Mail Merge feature for your email. At this point, Outlook is preparing your message so it can be combined with a recipient list. This is what allows the same message to be sent to multiple people while still pulling in personalized details for each one. Now add the email addresses. This is the stage where you include the recipients who should receive the message. Double check that the addresses are correct, because even a small typo can prevent delivery. It's also a good idea to review your recipient list for accuracy before moving on, especially if you're sending to a larger group. Finally, type in your message. Keep your wording clear, professional, and easy to understand. Since this message may go to several people, it helps to keep the tone consistent and the purpose of the email obvious right from the beginning. If you're including personalized fields, make sure they appear in the right place so each recipient sees the correct information in their copy. And that's how to use Mail Merge in Outlook. Once everything is in place, review your message one last time for errors, formatting issues, or missing details before sending it out. This final check can help ensure your Mail Merge looks polished and reaches recipients the way you intended.